They asked him, "Oh Maulana, you're a saint. We know who you are. You're an incredible man. You're a man of God." And they were shedding tears, not just the students, his son, not just his son, the people of the city of Konya, from the people of government to the teachers, to the academics, everyone was around him. And they were all asking him, please make dua. Pray that God gives you healing. And this is when he uttered his last poem, lying down in his bed before he left this world. رو سر بنه به بالین تنها مرا رها کن ترک من خراب شبگرد مبتلا کن درد است غیر مردن آن را دوا نباشد پس من چگونه گویم کین درد را دوا کن در خواب دوش پیری در کوی عشق دیدم با دست اشارتم کرد که عزم سوی ما کن. So he says, leave me alone to my mattress, go away. I am an addict and my addiction is night travel. See, the people of God, they always give a portion of the night to him. They stand in prayers. They do what they call in Persian, raz wa niyaz. It's a moment of intimacy with God, where they open their hearts and they speak to him and they pray and they shed tears. And these are the moment of connection. These are the moment of connection. So he said, go away, leave me alone, leave me to my leave me to my Lord. I have a sickness that has only one cure, and the cure is death. How could I ask God to heal me any other way? This is my cure. The cure is to leave this world and go back to my Lord. And he says, I saw in my dream, and I saw this beautiful old man. These are all symbolism. And he was calling me with his hand. And he was saying, come, and come towards us. It is time for me to go. But these calling have been happening in the life of Rumi for a very long time. He'd been hearing this voice. These are the voices of truth. These are the echoes of your own truth. That if you're empty from the inside, if you are filled with light, but empty from ego and desires, and then the echo chambers of your heart will lead you, will give you direction. As our Prophet ﷺ said, ask your heart, because your heart will never lie to you. The heart is connected. There's always this wasl, this connection. And Rumi said that the reason why you're here is two things. He said, tu baroy wasl kardan amedi, ne baroy fasl kardan amedi. He says that you came here to connect. You did not come here to disconnect. This at two levels. The first thing, you have to connect yourself with your heart. Many people are disconnected from their hearts. And the second is connection with God. That is at the personal level. Then Rumi says, transfer this positive energy of connection to those who are near you, and then those in your city, and then those in your nation, and to the people of the world. And remind them that they're here to connect. That is the sole purpose of being here.